Hi, 9th standard student. Today we are going to see the Please Listens English workshop. We have seen in last lectures the explanation of the poem. Please listen now. See English workshop. Complete the following with the help of the lines of the poem. When I ask you to listen to me, you start doing. You start giving me advice. You have tried there. Then you began to tell me why I shouldn't feel that way. You feel you have to do something to solve my problems. You have to complete like that. Write the opposite antonyms of the following. First one is chief. The opposite word costly, discouraged, encouraged, inadequacy, adequacy, accept, reject, simple, hard, irrational, rational, understand, misunderstand, clear, unclear. Third activity, use the following chart to prepare meaningful dialogues. Use your ideas to fill in the blanks. Have you read? You may write there Wings of Fire, name of book. B. No. Have you? A. Yes, I have. You must read it too. You will love it. Then B. I will try it. Here A. No, I haven't. Negative response for that question. No, I haven't, but I want to read it. Then B. Tell me about it when you do. The B's question. The response positive. Yes, I have read. B. It is amazing, very interesting, delightful, superb. Negative response. B's. It is boring, too long. I don't like it. I don't like boring books. You may write there. Then prepare a similar conversations about a film like that. A1 will ask the questions. Have you seen Titanic? Then B, the negative question. No. Have you? Then A will give answer. Yes, I have. You must see it. Instead of read it, you must write there. See it. You will love it. The B is I will try it. The answer. Then positive or negative answer for that. No, I haven't, but I want to see it. Then B will say, tell me about it when you do. Then the negative answer for the age question, have you seen Titanic? Then a positive answer of the B, that is yes, I have. Then B will give the answer. It is amazing, very interesting, it is superb. Or B will give the negative answer for that. It is too long. I didn't like it. I don't like movies based on love. Like that, you have to complete there. Then A. I had an argument with my dad today, with my brother today. Oh, what about? We will ask the question. Then I will give the answer the usual. I wanted to watch Cartoons Network and she changed the channel to see her favorite serial. So again we ended up with an argument. Then we will say, why do you talk to her peacefully? Why don't you talk to you talk to her peacefully. A. I tried but it doesn't help. Then A. I will try it is positive response. Then B. Negative response. Oh no, not again. A. I tried to explain that I wanted to see Cartoon Network but she didn't listen and changed the channel. Then be sad. Fourth activity, maintain a diary at least for a week. Write about your interactions with other people in your surroundings in 3 to 4 lines. Also write whether you find the interactions happy, unhappy, satisfactory, unsatisfactory, enjoyable, stressfully, etc. You have to meet your you have to interact with your neighbors and surroundings. You have to interactions with others peoples in your surroundings, and here maintain a diary for at least for a week. Also write whether you find the interactions happy. You have to observe the others interactions, and if you feel happy, unhappy, satisfactory, unsatisfactory, enjoyable, stressful, you have to write there. Write and see informal letters from a teenager to his or her parent expressing a few thoughts from the poem. Here you may write there, my dear, dearest, or hi, are you surprised to see this letter? I wanted talk to you about this, but then I thought I will be able to express myself better in a letter. Love yours, lovingly yours. These points you have to write whilst writing the informal letter. You have to write your address at the at the left side, and also there you have to write the my dear or dearest, and then you have to begin your letters. Are you surprised to see this letter like that, or I wanted talk to you about this, but then I thought I will be able to express myself better in letter. With that help of that lines you have to begin your letters, and you have to use the other your own points for continue the second passage. And lastly you have to thanking for concluding your the letters in last paragraph. And lastly, mm, at right sides you have to write there yours lovingly or yours, like that you have to write. Okay, in this way we have seen the English workshop of the poem Please Listen. Thank you.